Welcome back, friends. Today I'm gonna show you the easiest recipe with the air fryer. I'm gonna preheat my air fryer on 400 degrees Celsius for around 8 minutes. Here I have chana dal samosa. They are small in size and it's about 50 in the package. I'm gonna take out half of the samosa in a plate. You can defrost the samosa a little bit before frying if you want to, but it's not really necessary. Now I'm gonna put all the samosas in the air fryer basket. You can arrange it or just put it inside. Really don't have to spread them equally, but if you do them, it's okay. Here I'm just gonna throw all in the basket, and I'm gonna use a cooking oil spray. It's a Kirkland from a Costco. Yeah, just spray it around, and it's very easy to use. Now close the basket, and I'm gonna put it on for 10 minutes and we'll see how it's done. It's pretty quick to make this samosa, so after 2 to 3 minutes the samosa is almost ready, and after 10 minutes my samosas are ready. So in a serving plate I have made a coriander chutney with samosas. You can use any sauce. You can use ketchup if you want to. Check out my video on coriander chutney. Also, this samosas are very easy to make in an air fryer. So if you have any unexpected guest, you can always make this samosas in the air fryer. So this samosas taste the same as it would with the deep fried samosa. So guys, don't forget to subscribe, like and share. See you next time.